Hey traders, welcome back to our daily trade journal and market analysis. Every day I try to journal not just for accountability, but because it helps me spot patterns and mistakes faster. Study shows that you're 3 times more likely to improve when you journal daily. So it's a habit I highly recommend if you want to level up your trading. So for today, I made about $531.25 trading MES. It was a pretty rough day. I worked late on the newsletter last night, so I didn't get much sleep as well. But the market still gave us some interesting moves. And the win rate was much lower than I want, it's hitting 65% today only. Ideally, I want that to be over 80%. That's when I'm having a good day. So we'll dive a little bit into the signals that we had today and market analysis and the patterns and whatnot and levels we have at the end of the video. So very interesting double top here. So we'll dive into this chart with our moving averages. So for today, we got a bunch of signals throughout the day. 9:30, we had a NQ buy signal that kind of X3 buy, that signal that market was really bullish over here. And then we just pushed past the MOB. 9:42, market structure flipped bullish. So that was somewhere around here. So that means, anticipated going higher. And then that move did happen, went from 63.51 to 63.69 before pulling back there. And then 63.68 was one of the major levels that I had today to watch out for. So we took a small short there, pulled back a little bit. That worked out pretty good. And then 10:40, we had our first sell signal, which was around here. Tiny bit of a move, didn't move as much because market structure was still bullish. Ideally, you want to buy in the bullish market structure when it pulls back. And then 12:42, we had another sell signal. Where is that? Somewhere here. But actually no, that's a buy signal. 12:42 is a buy signal over here, somewhere in that range. So you want to buy in that red moving average there. That played out. We end up going from 63.66 to as high as 63.73. So previous resistance over here became support. And that's been playing out for that early part of the day. And eventually we lost it here. And then the market started coming back to where we kind of opened at. So it was a very, very interesting day. Very nice inverse W pattern there. So that's an N pattern. Uh, so that played out pretty good if you guys were able to catch that full move. I wasn't able to catch the whole move, but I caught most of it, and it was very rewarding. It was very good. But over here, we were so choppy and very slow. The reason that I think this move happened also was because they tried to talk about firing Powell again, and then they said that they had hit him with a criminal referral by the House GOP ally. That news came out, I think, around somewhere around noon here, and the market almost looked like it shrugged it didn't move much. So a lot of us were just holding short positions from here, waiting for that move to happen. And thank God, at the end of the day, eventually did. But for tomorrow, I would say we want to continue to watch this level. So we moved the level up a little bit more. So I would say the level now to watch is 63.40. If we come back and test here, kind of expect us to bounce. If we break it, then we'll be in no man's zone. And if we lose the 63.24, we're bearish. If we hold this area, we could potentially bounce back from here. So that's the level I would watch. And if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy the trade journals, market insights, please subscribe to our channel for daily updates and clear analysis. Thank you and have a great day.